Hello, on a rainy day, working for a few minutes on this CCM Elan. It's a second look at, well, bits of it. So I took the rear wheel off and disposed of the old tire and tube, which were totally shot. Major blowout. So the rim, I think, is going to come up pretty well. There's a lot of gunk on the spokes, and I've chiseled a lot of it off, but I'm going to keep at it. And the hub itself is coming along, although there are bits in there that still, as you can see, need some more cleaning out. This part here, though, is coming quite well. I've taken the various cogs and bits off. Heavily gunked, but now looking pretty good. And then I'll clip all those back on after I finish the rest of the cleaning. So that's our second look at the CCM Elan. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.